Just sharing my thoughts about Solomon Salris. So we had this flagship program called Polaris that we've been running for last 4 years, and this is the 5th year that we wanted to make it like a big and a successful event. He had big shoes and big expectations to match up with the kind of benchmark that we had earlier set up. But with all the discussions with him and his team, we were able to curate a very customized program for our audience. And this time we had a multi-location, multi-geography coverage that we were looking at. So it was doing 5 different events in India across different locations, and then there was an event which was happening in Sri Lanka. And today, as we speak, he is successfully closed on an event in Manila in Philippines as well. I must say that he and his team have done an excellent job in terms of the content that we discussed, in terms of the messaging that we wanted to convey to our audience, and the whole lot of experience that we wanted our teams across the locations to feel it and go back with some messaging around it. It was a great day of all the events that he and his team had conducted, with a lot of activities, a lot of events, a lot of fun, a lot of takeaways, and a lot of physical running around and all of that. I think it was a great executed team. And when I was checking with my teams across different locations about their experience, they were super happy and they were super excited. Just for the fact that there were no slides, there was no learning like a teacher standing, but it was more of a very interactive, very engaging event. That's what makes it like a difference or an experience to take it away. So I really want to thank Solomon and his entire team for really having all this programs executed super successfully across different locations. And I really look forward for more such collaborations in future. So thank you.